Alright, Sean. Grab your bug, bro. This is Sean playing with his cucuyos. You got it? Where'd it go? It must be on you. Where'd it go?
Got it.
You got it? Put it to walk on your hand. I did it right.
Come on, cat.
Sean, that thing's gonna take off flying, bro. Put it back in.
I can't do it.
Shake it with the other hand. Use the other hand. Flick it. Like that. There. Go. There you go. Woohoo!
That's awesome.
That was awesome.
He just jumped up. Okay, that's awesome.
That's what kids are all about. I love it.